Hi, if you have a 1998 Land Rover Discovery 1 LE with a 4.0 engine, you may want to subscribe to my channel. I try to post at least once a week simple repairs that you can do yourself on your Land Rover. And if you're new to my channel, I would like to take the time out to say welcome and hope to see you again and again. But before we get started, please don't forget to like and subscribe and hit the bell. Believe it or not, this helps me continue making these videos. Well, welcome back. I'm glad you made it back. Well, today I'm going to clean my gas fill compartment. As you can see, it looks pretty grungy. You may ask, well, why do you want to clean it? Well, number one, if you clean it, it looks like you take care of your vehicle very well. And number two, there's a small possibility some debris that's built up in your compartment can make your way through all the filters in your system and get to your fuel injectors. Now, of course, the dirtier your gas fill compartment is, the more chances all this dirt and grime is going to make its way through the system and clog up your fuel injectors. So it's just a little insurance. Plus, if you intend to show off your vehicle or plan to sell it, it's just one little detail that people notice. So let's get to work. Okay, in order to clean this, what I'm going to use is some degreaser. Here's some stuff that I found made by Gunk. It's a good citrus cleaner. I also use it in my engine compartment when I was detailing it. Before you start, make sure you have your gas cap on so nothing goes into your gas tank. Okay, as you can see here, I'm just liberally spraying this stuff on, making sure I get it all in the nooks and crannies so it can do its job. Once I applied this, I give it about a minute, and then I went ahead and brushed it with this brush that I use on my mag wheels. Of course, I got the brush bristles in all the nooks and crannies that I could. I'm just giving it an overall clean for right now. Now I took a clean rag and just wiped everything down, trying to get all the debris out of there. Well, it's looking better, but there's still some areas that we need to get to. Then what I did was spray it down again. This time I used a paintbrush. It was kind of a stiff bristle, but not too stiff. And again, just brushed into all the nooks and crannies and tried to remove all the debris. Pretty simple. As you can see, a brush does a really good job getting into the nooks and crannies. Once I've got it clean as best I could, I then want to rinse it off with some Windex. Again, I just sprayed liberally, soaked it really good to remove that citrus cleaner. Then I wiped it clean with a clean rag, making sure there's no moisture in there. Just wipe it all clean. Okay, the next thing I'm going to apply is this Meguiar's Ultimate Detailer. It's like a light wax. Just going to go ahead and spray some in. Let it dry for about a minute or two. And then wipe it down. Wow, what a difference. I'm really glad the paint didn't get destroyed. It looks like it rolled off the factory showroom. Anyway, give it a try. Well, that's it. Okay, well I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope it was very informative. Please check out my other how-to videos. Oh, and check out my new website. There's new items being put in there every day. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and of course, hit the bell. Until then, we'll see you at my next video. Bye!